হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আমি ইন্দ্রাক্ষী দে আর আপনারা দেখছেন নিউজ টুডে।
भजनलाल कमर्शियल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ने वीवो के साथ मिलकर वीवो एक्सक्लूसिव स्टोर का उद्घाटन 24 जून डॉबसन रोड गोलाबाड़ी हावड़ा में किया गया। कार्यक्रम के मुख्य आकर्षण रहे प्रसिद्ध फुटबॉलर जोसे रामिरेज बरेटो, जिन्होंने विशेष अतिथि के रूप में उद्घाटन समारोह में भाग लिया। उनकी उपस्थिति से खेल प्रेमियों और स्थानीय लोगों में विशेष उत्साह देखने को मिला।
যারা যারা মোহনবাগানকে ভালোবাসেন, সবুজ মেরুনকে ভালোবাসেন, he is the perfect person right with us here and he's none other than Jose Marcio Ramirez Barreto. I request three people to please come up here in this moment because we have got a lot of things to do here because we are here in the grand launch of Vivo exclusive store right here at Howrah for the first time with Bhajanlal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go, the first look of Vivo exclusive store with Bhajanlal right at Howrah. So now we are going to cut the ribbon. Okay, so here we go with the auspicious ribbon cutting. Let's have the cut of the ribbon here. Come on. Woo-hoo! That's amazing. Good round of applause. Come on, put your hands around. So round of applause over here. We'll be having the auspicious lamp lighting movement. Could we have the family member of Vivo and Bhajanlal all together? Yes. This is an auspicious moment for all of us because the first time ever at Howrah, Vivo exclusive store with Bhajanlal, and it's going to be a perfect moment now for this lamp lighting ceremony with all of us. The precious shirt right now. Ready? And now the new journey started here. Round of applause. Come on, clap. Another round of applause, please, everyone. Thank you.
Bhajanlal Private Limited had opened a Vivo exclusive store at Howrah. Some of them are my friends over there, and I think it's a great idea. I think everyone knows about Vivo, what they can bring, for the lovers of mobile lovers. And so for me, just come in and I think wish all the best for the team. I haven't seen all the games yet. I'm just already maybe keeping my less sleeping time maybe for the next round because I think most of the top teams are going to qualify for the next round. So that is where I think is where I'm going to watch in the games, all the teams, and able to take something out of it. But still, I'm happy uh, with the performance of Lionel Messi, Ronaldo is shining, Brazil is doing well. So I think a lot of good things. I think when speaking about me, I only know how to operate in my iPhone. If I get in another mobile, I don't know how to operate it because I've been so long into it. But I have seen, as we're talking about Vivo, I have seen some of the mobiles. Even their cameras are much better than iPhone ones. But as I'm not really a selfie guy, like taking selfies or taking photographs a lot, so I don't mind much about having a mobile that has like the best cameras. For me, I think iPhones give me good battery life, where I can spending good time surfing and enjoying my phone. So I think that's been enough for me.
But after that moment, choose Vivo's phone.
Huh? We always must be open for for new things, and I think that is I think it's a lot about me. Always ready to experiment and having different experience because you always take something out of it, right? And I do believe Vivo. Who I am to say something about Vivo because I think the brand already speaks out about by itself. You know, it's one of the biggest companies in India today. Selling mobiles are like thousands of mobiles every day. I think because I think they've been proving themselves, doing I think what real people needed. I think understanding that. I think that's relation, and I think Vivo. I think we all have to congratulate for the great job they've been doing, and I think it's a good step of Bhajan Lal and to come out with a Vivo store because definitely I think it's going to do well.